Top 7 answers on the board. Listen closely. Candy is dandy. Liquor is quicker. But what food gets you in the mood?
Meat.
Meat.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, so if I just say this one time so I ain't got to read this little stupid nursery rhyme. Candy is dandy, liquor is quicker. What food gets you in the mood? Can I just say what food gets you in the mood?
Yeah.
Okay, Annie, what food gets you in the mood?
Well, oysters.
Oysters. Angela, what food gets you in the mood?
Whipped cream.
Your pastor is watching. Then your answer is whipped cream. Yeah. Man, Angela like whipped cream. Abby, what food gets you in the mood?
All right, lovers have been known to share pasta. Pasta.
Pasta. All right, Cindy, we gotta be careful. We got 2 strikes. The Goggin family can steal. What food gets you in the mood?
So I heard, because I don't drink, I'm gonna say wine.
Wine. What candy is dandy? Liquor's quicker. What food gets you in the mood?
Steve, we're going with strawberries.
Strawberries. Number 7.
Ice cream! Yo!
6. 5. Your ass on YouTube. Your whole damn family on YouTube. Your whole damn family gonna be on YouTube. This about to be on YouTube.
I'm gonna end up on YouTube.
Oh my dear gracious.